Park Ranch is situated at the base of 9,000-foot Elkhorn Mountain, which is part of the Caribou National Forest, and the ranch shares a common boundary with the forest. The ranch includes about 2,576 deeded acres, 200 of which are irrigated. About 1,076 acres are in the Conservation Reserve Program, and the balance is pasture. The ranch is located about 12.5 miles northwest of Malad and Interstate 15, very convenient for shipping. The headquarters is located on Daniels Road, paved and county maintained. The working corrals are located in this protected draw, less than half a mile from the headquarters. This stockwater well and solar-powered pump fill buried storage tanks that hold 7,000 gallons of water. The water gravity flows to well-located water troughs on the east side of the ranch. This spring forms a small stream that flows down the draw with the working corrals and augments the gravity flow irrigation water. The Little Malad River flows through the ranch's 200 irrigated acres. Up to 3 wheel lines can be operated at the same time with gravity pressure. This view looking west shows more of the Conservation Reserve Program land. This beautiful farm boasts of a complete gravity flow irrigation system, making it one of the most cost-effective hay and grain farms in the area. The yields are 4-ton alfalfa to the acre in 3 cuttings.